She'll spin dust, flies high. A road stretched to the fiery sky. You shout loud, I hit the chord, chasing freedom like it's scored. We're wild whispers in the wind, burning out but diving in. No chains can hold the hearts we live. Our song begins where borders end. Your voice sharp like a desert flame. My hands are rough, but they play the same. You twist loud, I keep the beat. Together drowning in the heat. We're wild whispers in the wind, burning out but diving in. No chains can hold the hearts we live. Our song begins where borders end. No stars tonight, just speeding lights, lifting us from darkened fights. You sing wrong, we'll come undone, under moons that fear the sun. We're wild whispers in the wind, burning out but diving in. No chains can hold the hearts we live. Our song begins where borders end. The jukebox hums a tune I know. Boots tap dance on the hardwood glow. The bartender's pouring sweet and slow, where the good times roll and the stories flow. Whiskey on the neon, hearts alive tonight. We're raising glasses, holding tight. The music's loud, the smile's wide. It's a honky-tonk heaven beneath the barroom lights. Pool balls clatter, dice are tossed. In this bar, nothing's ever lost. We trade our laughter, pay no cost. In a small town joint, life's lines are crossed. Whiskey on the neon, hearts alive tonight. We're raising glasses, holding tight. The music's loud, the smile's wide. It's a honky-tonk heaven beneath the barroom lights. The clock spins fast, but the night's still young. With every word, a new song sprung. We'll dance and sing till the morning's come, and every soul's burned brighter than the sun.